I heard that you're planning to make your first ever 2025 vision board, and I'm here to spill all the important details you need to know before you begin. I'm going to walk you through how to make a vision board that'll not only inspire you, but also make all your dreams come true. And trust me, this is not going to be your usual cut the images and paste it to make your vision board kind of video. It's going to be all about aligning with your deepest desires to make it come true. Before we begin, if you're new here and if you would love to join me on this journey where we transform ourselves for the better, then subscribe and stick along because I'd love to have you here. Okay, so let's get real for a second. What is this vision board all about? Let me tell you, most people think that a vision board is just a pretty collage of feel-good pictures. Well, that's partially true, but there's so much more to it. A vision board is a physical representation of your goals and desires. It's a tool that can help you focus your thoughts, align your energy, and activate the power of your subconscious mind. A fun fact about our brains is that it can process images faster than words. Did you know that? When you look at something repeatedly, your brain creates connections that condition you to take actions based on what you keep looking at, which is nothing but your vision. And this is called the reticular activating system, otherwise known as RAS. It's basically a filter for our brains. It filters out all the unnecessary things and focuses only on those that matters the most. Think of it as your brain's personal filtering algorithm. Many of us might have thought that vision boards are just wishful thinking stuff. I don't want to spend my time and energy on it. Vision boards don't work just because you cut some pictures and paste it on a board. They work because they help you clarify your goals, remind you of them daily, and most importantly, trigger your subconscious mind to take consistent actions towards achieving them. For example, if your ultimate goal for 2025 is to get fitter, to get more healthier and in shape or stronger, and you put a picture of a fit, healthy body of a person on your vision board, now you're more likely to notice opportunities to exercise, to eat healthy, or maybe even join that yoga class which you might have been putting off. Your vision board helps you keep your goals on top of your mind so that you naturally start aligning your daily habits with your dream life. Now, before getting to the fun part of making our vision board, I want to warn you of certain mistakes you should avoid while creating your vision board. First of all, your goals shouldn't be vague. I want to be happy is too broad. You should be specific. If you want to be happy, write down what will make you happy. What do you think will make you feel that emotion of happiness? And what does happiness look like for you? Get into the details. There shouldn't be any vague goal for you in 2025. Remember, you can ask for what you want and you need to believe that you truly deserve it in order for it to come true. Secondly, we're not going to clutter the board. I have seen so many vision boards like these. Believe me, if you keep cluttering your vision board with so many pictures, you're going to lose vision. You're not going to be able to focus on anything that's on the board, and nothing is going to come true because it's all scattered and you do not have a particular focus. So make sure you do not overcrowd it and it's a clean one. And the third mistake to avoid is choosing generic images. We're not going to select pictures just because it looks trendy or attractive. We are going to select pictures that aligns truly with our goals, which resonates with us and our dreams. The fourth and the most common mistake that we do is ignoring action. And we are going to avoid that mistake this time. There were times where I used to just create the vision board and never look at it again. I used to spend hours working on that vision board and I used to never look at it. I used to never go back to my vision board and spend time viewing it and imagining my dream life and what I would be feeling when I achieved all those goals that I had put on the vision board. That's the one and the only and the biggest mistake that will hold you back from achieving your goals. When you stop looking at the vision board, you stop taking inspired actions towards your goals because now you're not paying attention to your goals at all. Remember, magic doesn't happen by itself. You need to perform the magic trick for the magic to happen. Similarly, you need to take inspired action for whatever you put in the vision board to come to life. For that, you need to spend at least 5 minutes every single day going back and having a look at the vision board and train your subconscious mind to take inspired actions and to attract the solutions and opportunities that resonate with you and that will get you to your dream reality. Okay, now let's stop with the theories and get to the fun part. I'm going to show you how I create my vision board, and this is an example of a vision board that I have created a while back. And honestly, most of it has already been manifested. There are a couple of things which I'm still working on, so let's hope it happens soon. Now I'm going to show you the easiest and most effective way to create a vision board. That is to create a digital vision board. And for this, we're going to use my favorite, Canva.com. Not only is this super convenient, but you can access your vision board anywhere on your laptop, your phone, your tablet, making it a constant source of inspiration. Before jumping into creating your vision board, the first most important step is to reflect and set your intentions. By now, I'm pretty sure you would have written down your goals. If not, take as much as time you want and write down the goals for 2025 in detail. And if you already have your goals written, then spend 20 to 30 minutes reflecting on what your dream life in 2025 would look like. Think about what your main areas of focus is going to be, whether it's going to be health, career, relationship, finance, lifestyle, personal growth, whatever it may be. Reflect on what you're going to mainly focus on in 2025. Having clarity in these areas ensures that your vision board is tailored to your own goals. If you're done with listing your goals and reflecting upon that, the second super fun step is to gather your visuals. There are so many online resources to gather visuals. What I personally prefer is that I go to Pinterest and I type whatever I'm searching for. I get a collection of images to choose from, and I make sure that the image that I select resonates completely with the picture of the goal in my mind. And the step 3 is to open Canva and start our project. So let's get started on Canva.com.
So what I do is I sign into Canva.com and I search for vision board template. Canva provides you with a list of options to choose from. If this is the first time you're creating a vision board, I would say go for an easy, simple, clean, not messy vision board so that you can make things easier for you. So what I usually do is I delete the existing pictures on the template and I go to Pinterest.com. I then look up for keywords related to my goals, and Pinterest provides a collection of images to choose from. So what I do is I pick the one that closely resonates with my goal. Then I go back to Canva, paste it there. I literally just copy the images and paste it. It's going to be of high quality, so don't bother about downloading it. And similarly, if I want to add manifestation quotes and affirmations to my vision board, I go back to Pinterest and I look up for the quotes. I make sure that I pick the ones which closely resonates to the inner dialogue I want and to the affirmations that I would like to keep repeating to myself. So I just keep repeating this process till I get a final vision board. But now let's look at how to design our own vision board without using a template. On the Canva homepage, click on create a design and then custom size. So now you'll have to give the width and the height of the Canva template. So you can just Google the dimensions of a laptop wallpaper or a phone wallpaper. For now, I'm choosing the dimensions for a laptop wallpaper. And then I go back to Canva, enter the dimensions and click on create new design. So now you have a blank template to play around with. I go back to Pinterest and look up the images as I did before, and I copy and paste the images on my blank Canva template. As always, I spend a lot of time and only choose the images that closely resonate with the picture that I have in my mind. And so finally, you would have arrived at something like this. This is my final vision board. It took literally 3 to 4 hours for me to arrive at this. That doesn't mean it would take so long for you, but spend as much time as you can in analyzing the images and the quotes and the words that you want to put on your vision board, because you're going to be looking at this every single day, and this is going to be your source of inspiration. You can also click on share and download the PNG, JPG, or whatever file version you want to download your image as, and you can use it as your desktop wallpaper, your phone wallpaper, whatever you prefer.
And that's it. You now have your personalized 2025 vision board that's super easy to access and designed to manifest your dream life. Remember, the universe meets you halfway when you're clear about what you want. If you like this video, drop a comment below about your thoughts and share it with someone who you feel needs a little bit of inspiration this new year. And if you'd love to join me on this journey where we transform ourselves for the better, subscribe and stick along. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, I love you all. Bye.